how to edit photo of Pixlr online. So first, go to their website, and then you can just hover mouse over the three lines here at the top right, and then click on Pixlr editor. Now here, you just need to upload your image. Click on open image, and then double click on your image. Now once you're here, you just need to here you can already start editing your photos here using the options here available on the left side. And for example, I'm going to add a text here. Click on this one, then click on add. Now you can just type in test here, and there you go. Now you can just drag it here, and then if you want to, let's say, crop the image, you can just click on this one, and then you can begin cropping the image. Then you can just click on apply here at the top, and there you go. Now if you want to draw something, you can just click on this one. As you can see. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.